Hey, how you guys doing? It's AB here from Driving Academy, right? I want to welcome you guys to our Wayne location. Every day people become professional drivers and land a life-changing opportunity goal in their career. Today, I'm going to give you guys an exclusive tour of our trucking facility, right? Our yard where we train you guys so you guys can see how to maneuver your straight line back, your offset, and how this yard is kind of like a circus in the gym where you guys are doing a bunch of different things and we're squeezing it all in here to figure out where we got to be for our maneuvers and our standpoints. When it comes to maneuvers, we have it all. So here at Driving Academy, we got our straight line backing, offset backing, reverse offset, and parallel parking on both sides. We replicate the real DMV test layout. So when you test, you'll feel it's just like another day of practice. You'll be training 30 minutes in each truck, whether it's straight line or offset for the time spot that you are. It will be 30 minutes, right? At Driving Academy here, we help you guys learn at your own pace. Why do we do it that way? Because the best way to learn is by doing it yourself. Of course, we have our instructors here ready to instruct you guys on anything, ready to answer any questions you guys have, any concerns. Never hesitate to ask, right? We'll get to the bottom of it, right? But we are not afraid to sit here and spend every moment we need to make sure that you guys understand what's being asked of you, right? So you will have that time frame to figure out whether you need help on your straight line, whether you need help on your offset. We will not rush it. We'll make sure that you feel comfortable and you feel like you're being tended to correctly. And just as well as us have a Class A tractor and trailer combination, we have our bus for passenger, right? Where we do our end cabs, our external pre-trip, everything right here for our bus. And then we have our Class B tractor, where we also do our external pre-trip, our maneuvers and everything, just like how we were doing our Class A. So we make sure you guys get the same treatment as these guys is doing the combination, right? Everybody deserves equal amount of treatment, equal amount of work going both ways, right? So we make sure here at Driving Academy, we hit you guys with our Class B passenger bus, Class B tractor, and our Class A combination. Right over here, our pre-trip inspection zone, you'll get hands-on with the real trucks and learn how to inspect every part from the front of the truck to the rear of the trailer. You will learn to identify key parts like air compressors, steering linkage, brake chambers, leaf springs, air pressure, and etc. And in order to pass this part of your CDL exam, we want to do exactly what the DMV wants to hear. Touching, meaning, and explaining each part, as study shows that the best way most people memorize long of these parts is literally having the truck in front of them. Being able to point out, touch the different parts. At Driving Academy, there's always trucks for you guys to practice your pre-trip and your in-cab with. Other than different trucking schools where they only have one truck that's being taken out on the road, that's being used for parking, maneuvers, and other stuff. Here, now we're going to talk about some in-cab. Come with me. A very important part, very first part of your in-cab is 3 points of contact to enter the truck. 1, 2, 3. So now we have entered the truck properly with 3 points of contact. That's how you will start and end your test. If you come out of the truck or enter the truck at any time without 3 points of contact, automatic fail. So with in-cab, we'll start out with our air brake test, right? And now you with an instructor sitting in on inside the truck, figuring out what our steps are. We have a paper printout that breaks down each step for you to break it down nice and easy. And we are right alongside you in order to reassure you that you are going through these steps properly. In-cab hosts a various amount of things that you have to cover, but we make sure we guide you step by step in between each maneuver and each step on in-cab external pre-trip maneuvers to make sure you are 100% solidified and assured that you are ready to master this step, which would be our in-cab. Last but not least, finally, we will be talking about our road pass truck. This is the truck we take out on the road. Very clean, new Freightliner with our decal. All the lights and everything is up to date. All the paper, and make sure everything on the truck is extremely clean for you guys. Make sure it's a nice, smooth, up-to-date riding truck. So when you guys go out on the road, there's no faulties, no hiccups, nothing. This truck does not miss a beat. You have us, of course, alongside you while we're on the road, making sure you guys are doing everything that needs to be done to pass your test and operate this truck safely. We want to make sure that you guys are prepared and comfortable before you hit the road. That's why we have our simulator. That's why we do a lot of in-cab. That's why we do a lot of single pre-trip and maneuvers to make sure you guys feel very comfortable inside these trucks before we go out on the road. This is our road pass truck, ready to hit the road. We're ready for some new students so we can help you guys get on the path, road to success.
Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to get your CDL license, you know where to go. Check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, right over there. And if you like this video, you'll definitely like this video right over here. So make sure you check that out. But before anything else, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you soon.